LIB is the invention of the Virginia-based non-weapons program. The weapon is made of a laser which shoots bursts of light for 10 to 15 seconds, writes Defense One. This is just long enough to rip electrons from air molecules, which creates a ball of plasma. This ball of plasma, when fired with additional laser energy, can be transformed to a high-energy missile of noise. If it hits at the right wavelength, it sounds like a haunted voice. The energy from the lasers is relatively harmless to humans and objects, experts say. They hope this high-tech device will stop people charging checkpoints in the future. We're this close to getting it to speak to us. I need 3 or 4 more kilohertz, David Law, who runs JNLWD's technology division, told Defense One. The weapon creates noise at a specific point, meaning soldiers who are between the weapon and target would not be able to hear the sound. Experts believe these plasma could be fired over a distance of 20 or 30 kilometers. This is the first non-weapon that could go out tens of kilometers, said Mr. Law. In 2015, the non-weapons program was working on the same laser, but it was only being tested at a distance of 330 feet, 100 meters. At the time, it was estimated research and development of the weapon would cost around $3 million, £2.1 million.